Alright, I'm starting my journey back. I'm actually at the ferry terminal right now. I'm out of breath as usual wearing this mask. Right. Okay. What is this machine? Okay, printing of tickets online. Okay. Go to the ticketing counter. Okay, I got my ticket. Got my ticket here. I'm going to check in. I'm going into the place. So I just have to scan my ticket. Okay. Then I just have to push. And then I just have to go up as usual to the keberangkatan or departure place. My ticket is for 10 to 11, but now it's only like 8 a.m, 8:30 a.m. But it's okay, they accept. I think the best is to buy your ticket for a later time.
Buy a ticket for a later time and then come earlier. Okay.
So this is how near it is. So right now I'm at the Gilimanuk Ferry Terminal, and if you want to see where Java is, there it is. The mountains. Okay, that's where I'm heading to. Want to get it? I got in the ferry. The ticket man took my ticket. I'm in the ferry. We have reached Java. So right now I'm going down the stairs. That side is Bali. This kind of like a bridge, a drawbridge, and you can just cross over. Right, so I'm going to make my way down this steep stairs. I'm making the way down the stairs. As I said, the first floor is for the motorbike and the cars. So all passengers have to go to the second floor. So if you're taking your car here, you'll just have to stay in the car, in the aircon, and then they'll open. Alright, the time now is 8:50 Java time. So the time difference from Bali and Java is actually 1 hour. So Bali is 1 hour ahead of time. So right now I'm against 1 hour in a way. So they are drawing down the bridge. You can see the bridge is dropping. And the vehicles will clear first, and then the rest of us. So it's actually quite easy. Lorries are going on. Alright, so the bridge. So this section is for passengers and that's for cars. Apparently you just have to go straight. Lurus saja. And then there's a place where you can get up. Ah, there it is. Exit. Once you're out, you will see Alfamart. Ojek. Bentar ya?
Iya, ya.
Bentar ya, Pak?
Iya, ya.
So this is where I start with Alfamart. That's where the cars go in. So I'm going to take an ojek to the train station. This is where the cars enter to go to Bali. You can actually buy online tickets here. At the shops around here, they sell online tickets. So you don't actually have to buy in advance. Okay. Yeah, bisa. So if you're gonna walk, we just walk all the way to the middle market. Beloknya di mana? Di sana ya? Ah, there. That's the station. Not actually that far.
Oh, no, stop ya.
So actually the train station, the ferry station was there. So the Alpha Indomaret, and then this is the train station, which is not far at all. Mana ni?
Di dalam sana.
Ada orangnya, pegawainya.
Ada.
Okay, this is train station. Baru ya Pak?
Apanya?
Tempatnya baru ya?
Lama ada.
Oh ya, nampak super baru.
Ini lokasi ter.
Terima kasih Pak. Okay. Terima kasih ya Pak.
Ya,
Terima kasih. Mana ya? Masuknya dalam aja ya. This machine to key in your booking number, and then they will just generate the ticket. Okay. So my train ticket is at 11:15, which is like very long, and it's from Ketapang to Surabaya, and I'll arrive at about 6 p.m. Alright. Because it's COVID, you need to have your rapid test. So I'm just going to check whether mine is alright. 9:05 now in Java time. So just now I asked the staff here, actually you can actually do the rapid test at the train station. It will take about 15 to 20 minutes. It's the normal rapid test. It's 85,000 provided you show them your train ticket. So they only open at 8 here, which means that if your train is at 6:30 or anytime earlier, you need to actually do it a day in advance. So right now I'm trying to get away from people. The waiting area was full of people, so I decided to just wait outside in the hot sun. That's where we go in. Better not to take the risk. Alright, it's the check-in time. Okay, time now is 10:50. I just had my temperature taken. So they have to check the document, passport, rapid test, and the train ticket. That's the train. This is the inside of the train station of Ketapang. Okay, Banyuwangi, Ketapang. So the train is arriving. So I'm actually gonna wait. Here, I'm taking executive 1. My seat is 13B. Pak, eksekutif 1 di sana ya?
Eksekutif
1.
Iya.
13B, jauhnya. Terima kasih ya. Right in front. Okay, I'm gonna board the train. So this is inside the train. That was a hassle. Wow. Looks very new. So my seat number is 13B. So this is executive 1. Looks very posh. So this will be my home for the next 7.5 hours. Bye. This was given by the train. The face shield. So I'm gonna try and put it on. This is it. Not bad. Face mask from the train station.
Hari ini jam only can be 12, so 12 to 1 ya. Okay. Or you want to go to 1 to 2 too late ya. Golongan 1 sepeda kayu. Today is wait, I check first. Sabtu today, 5th December.
Is a
Nice, because we don't need to queue. Usually we need to queue.
because no one is traveling. Well, no one is traveling, Imelda. Okay, this is the harbor to go.
Ketapang Harbor.
Ketapang Harbor to go into the ship
To go
to Bali.
ferry to go to Bali.
Okay, we'll check the tickets first. Then we're gonna straight away board the ship.
Okay, surprisingly, you didn't check our rapid test.
Maybe down there. It's okay, better to have. Right, this is inside the ferry and all the vehicles are there. Okay,
Konnichiwa!
Okay. What's up there? What's up there, Imelda?
Nothing. It's just people. If you want to sit, just sit there.
Oh no, it's okay.
I don't want. Just sit in the car.
Okay.